Hi everyone, this is Julia with Exclusively Dance Studios. Today we're going to discuss the topic about the sway in ballroom dancing. So for those who would like to practice sway action, please put the feet underneath their shoulders in one line and put the hands on the waist, and just let's imagine the sway, a simple sway to the right, let's try that, and simple sway to the left. So you can see when I do in this position, one of my side is stretched and the other side is really broken, and that's what we're trying to avoid in dancing, to have broken sides. That's why I will ask you to do the same exercise, but to put the arms like that and make sure they're straight and engaged, and the shoulders down. And then let's try to do the same sway to the right and to the left, but really focus on when you do the sway, make sure that your both sides are really stretched, diagonal up. So think about like where the wall is meeting the ceiling. So because you really want to maintain both sides engaged when you sway, so make sure you're not really breaking it down. So I would suggest you repeat 10 times to the right, one after another, and then straighten to neutral, and 10 times to the left. Make sure that you don't bend the knees when you do, don't bend the elbows when you do that, so you're really engaging the arms. And please repeat that 50 times. So 5 times 10, so 5 repetitions 10 times to the right, and 5 repetitions 10 times to the left. And you will see that you will really engage the sides, and that will help you to dance when you come back to dance floor, which I hope happens really soon. And keep in mind that dancing keeps us happy and healthy, and have a wonderful day.